So me make everybody problem be my problem. But that's just who I am. And them not see me. Thank you.
Keep that 50, right?
No, you can put both of it. You can't forget to talk to me. Come let me come back alive again.
Okay. Hi Spice, nice to meet you. Heard so much
My
about
pleasure.
you. I want to say what's up to you.
Oh really?
This is my man, Peter Guns. Say what's up to John.
Hey, Peter.
It's a side.
Peter.
What's up, Guns? Huh? I'ma call her. You hooking up?
You coming to give out turkeys tonight?
Oh yeah, we're gonna give out some turkey tonight in
Yeah, he coming.
All right, Peter Guns, big up yourself. You don't know the tingle. The queen is here. Oh my God, come on, come at me. They come at me, I tell her, we can't talk to them.
Hold on,
Watch
let me get a
her.
picture.
She come at me and she showed somebody else by phone me. I have to call her back. A problem.
Let me get a photo. Oh my
Alright, go
God.
on.
Let me put mine on so you can take yours off. Oh my God, I saw you in my car. I saw the blue hair. I'm like, let me get
Hi, pretty baby. Oh, look how cute he is. What's your name? Oh, and him have the pretty eye. A problem, listen up. Nice to meet you. Take care, boy. Big up.
We'll see you in Atlanta.
All right, respect. Cool. May I call you back because I have a very important announcement to make. Tell Foota say me I give him 24 hours. Somebody call Foota on him phone and say, Foota, Spice says she'll give you 24 hours. You just delete the post. Better him just delete it altogether and finish up with it and nobody say nothing more. Somebody call Foota because everybody have him number and say, Foota, Spice I give you 24 hours. You just delete the post, finish up with it and just apologize and just call it at the end of the whole we move on and go have a Merry Christmas. Please. Because when I have more time, I will come back live. But I give him 24 hours. I'm very busy right now. I love you guys. Mwah. Top of the morning to you guys.